A new day, a new day, a new day. It is 2020, and that means that we are on the road to financial independence together. And I'm excited to share this with you. You know, yesterday we talked about leaky faucets, and this is a continuation of that. In addition to finding where monies have left you, did you know that there's some great resources online that you can go to where you can find to see if there's monies that are in your name that you've forgotten about? I'm not kidding, this is absolutely true. And I've actually had the opportunity to do this, and I found little bits of money that I actually forgot about. Because sometimes you might be paying a utility and you've moved, and maybe there was some extra money that they rebated back to you or credited back to you, but they didn't know where to send the check to. Well, this is what I mean. There are 3 websites I like to share with you. The first one is usa.gov/unclaimedmoney-money. The other one is ucpi.sco.ca.gov/UCP. The last one is the National Registry of Unclaimed Retirement Benefits. This is a big one. You know, I work with a lot of clients when they're retiring or leaving their employer. They might be retiring completely, they might be taking early retirement, they might be transitioning to a new employer. And sometimes they'll forget where their old 401k was, or old pension benefits were, other retirement monies. They just forgot because they change companies so often. This is a great place to go to find out if you have any retirement monies in your name. You go there and find out, and then you can contact a financial advisor like myself to help you move that into your name. There's a lot of things to consider when doing this research, but at the end of the day, this could surprise you. You might find monies that you've forgotten about. And whatever you do, you want to make sure you get that money into your own pocket as soon as possible. Now, on other questions on personal finance and how you can really make a difference on your financial life, feel free to send me a tweet so I can take a look. I might just actually answer your question right here on our next video. I'll talk to you soon. Take care.